Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Albert County in northeastern Georgia, western Hart County in northeastern Georgia, south central Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Tacoma to 5 miles northeast of Commerce, Georgia, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Carnesville, Royston, Livonia, Gumlog, Bowman, Cannon, Franklin Springs, Bowersville, Martin, and Avalon. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Albert, Franklin, Hart and Stevens, and Oconee, South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbus